If you're over the age of 50 and you've noticed that your vision isn't as sharp as it used to be, if you've been struggling to read the small print, squinting in dim light, or waking up with dry, tired eyes, I want you to know that you are not alone. Millions of people quietly suffer from slow, progressive changes in their eyesight as they age. But what if I told you that there are simple, natural steps you can take to help your eyes repair themselves, not over months or years, but starting while you sleep tonight? I'm not talking about pills, surgery, or expensive treatments. I'm talking about something so gentle, so deeply nourishing, that it supports your eyes in the most natural way possible while your body is at rest. I'm talking about 4 powerful drinks, completely natural, safe, and supported by science, that you can enjoy at night before bed to give your eyes exactly what they need to heal, repair, and function better than they have in years. As a physician and researcher who has spent decades studying how food and natural compounds interact with the body's built-in defense systems, I can tell you with confidence that what you consume, even at bedtime, can directly affect your eye health. There's no need to wait until vision problems become irreversible. You don't have to give in to the idea that poor eyesight is just part of aging, because the science now shows us that the body has powerful repair mechanisms, and they can be activated through nutrition. Tonight could be the first night you begin to take back control of your eye health. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the latest research and reveal 4 specific bedtime drinks that may help restore moisture, fight oxidative damage, improve circulation to your eyes, and support the vital cells responsible for clear vision. These are drinks that are easy to prepare, widely available, and most importantly, they work in harmony with your body's natural rhythms of healing. So if you care about your eyesight, if you want to preserve your independence, and if you're ready to wake up to healthier eyes, let's begin. As we age, it's common to notice changes in our eyesight. What many people don't realize is that these changes are not just random or inevitable. They are the result of gradual, ongoing damage to the delicate structures inside our eyes. Our eyes are incredibly complex organs, made up of tiny cells and blood vessels that require constant nourishment and protection. Over time, exposure to sunlight, environmental toxins, poor nutrition, and natural wear and tear cause oxidative stress and inflammation. This slowly damages the cells responsible for sharp vision, moisture, and overall eye function. The good news is that the human body, including the eyes, has an amazing ability to repair itself, but this repair happens best when the body is resting. Nighttime is not just for sleep, it's a crucial period when the eyes can recover from the daily stresses they face. During deep sleep, the body produces important hormones and antioxidants that reduce inflammation and promote healing. Unfortunately, if we don't support this natural healing process with the right nutrients, our eyes can't repair themselves effectively, which accelerates decline. Recent scientific studies have shown that certain foods and drinks can provide the essential nutrients your eyes need to heal while you sleep. These nutrients help neutralize harmful free radicals, improve blood flow to the retina, maintain the health of the cornea, and protect against age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in seniors. What's remarkable is that these benefits don't require pills or prescription drugs. Instead, they come from compounds found in everyday foods, especially when consumed in a way that aligns with your body's natural rhythms, like before bedtime. Tonight, I want to guide you through 4 of the most powerful bedtime drinks that can help you support your eye health naturally. Each of these drinks contains ingredients backed by solid research showing their ability to protect and repair your eyes. And best of all, they're easy to prepare, affordable, and safe for almost everyone. Before we dive into these drinks, it's important to understand that no single food or drink is a magic bullet. True eye health comes from a combination of good nutrition, proper hydration, protecting your eyes from excessive light exposure, avoiding smoking, managing blood sugar, and regular checkups with your eye doctor. These drinks are one piece of a larger puzzle, but they are a piece that many people overlook, and it's one that can make a real difference when you add it to your nightly routine. In the next part of this video, I will explain what makes each of these drinks so effective. You'll learn how ingredients like lutein, zeaxanthin, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants like vitamin C and E, and natural anti-inflammatory compounds work while you sleep to maintain the delicate tissues in your eyes. You'll discover how these drinks can help improve moisture, reduce dryness and irritation, support the retina, and even slow down the progression of common eye diseases. But first, let's take a closer look at the science behind eye aging and why targeted nutrition is so essential. As your eyes age, the retina, the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye, can begin to thin and lose some of its cells. This can cause blurry vision and difficulty seeing in low light. In addition, the macula, a small area in the center of the retina responsible for detailed vision, can accumulate waste products and suffer from oxidative damage, leading to macular degeneration, dry eye syndrome, which affects millions of seniors, occurs when tear production decreases or the tears evaporate too quickly, causing discomfort and blurry vision. Each of these conditions shares a common root: damage caused by free radicals and chronic inflammation. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage cells, proteins, and DNA. Normally, your body neutralizes free radicals with antioxidants, molecules that donate electrons to stabilize them. But as we get older, our natural antioxidant defenses weaken. That's why supplementing with antioxidant-rich foods, especially at night when repair processes peak, can be so powerful. One of the key antioxidants for eye health is lutein, a carotenoid found in leafy greens like spinach and kale. Lutein accumulates in the macula and helps filter harmful blue light, protecting delicate eye tissues. Zeaxanthin works alongside lutein for similar benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fatty fish and flaxseed, help maintain the oils in the tear film that keep eyes moist and comfortable. Vitamin C and E support the blood vessels in the eye and also act as antioxidants. By drinking specific beverages rich in these nutrients before bed, you give your eyes a steady supply of the raw materials they need to heal overnight. The slow absorption during sleep ensures sustained availability when your eyes are most vulnerable to damage. Next, I'll introduce the first of these 4 bedtime drinks, explain what it contains, and how it helps your eyes repair and stay healthy. This will be followed by the other 3 drinks, each with their unique benefits. Let's now move gently into the heart of the presentation, where I begin introducing the first of these 4 powerful bedtime drinks, starting with one of the most underrated and deeply nourishing options for supporting your vision as you sleep. The first drink I want to introduce you to is a warm infusion made from bulberry and chamomile. Now, bulberries are a close cousin to the blueberry, but they contain even higher levels of anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that are known to directly support the health of your retina. These anthocyanins improve the strength and flexibility of the tiny blood vessels that feed your eyes. When these blood vessels are healthy, oxygen and nutrients can reach the most delicate parts of the retina, including the macula, much more efficiently. This helps protect against age-related macular degeneration and night vision problems. Chamomile, on the other hand, is more than just a calming herb. It contains apigenin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that supports overall eye comfort by helping reduce dry eye irritation and inflammation around the ocular surface. When you steep dried bulberries and chamomile flowers in hot water, allow them to gently infuse for about 10 minutes, then strain and sip slowly before bed. You're delivering a therapeutic combination of nutrients and calming agents. This simple drink supports the repair of your eye's vascular system, eases tension, and prepares your body for restful sleep. When healing happens most deeply, drinking this blend regularly can reduce eye strain, especially if you spend long hours on digital devices during the day. Bulberry has even been studied in pilots during World War II who noticed improved night vision after consuming bulberry jam. While that's a historic anecdote, more recent research backs up bulberry's benefits in reducing oxidative stress and supporting microcirculation within the eye. As you make this tea a part of your bedtime routine, you'll likely begin to notice subtle changes. eyes that feel less dry when you wake up, improved focus, and better clarity in low light conditions. And because this drink is caffeine-free, it won't disrupt your sleep. In fact, it will help relax your nervous system, making it easier to fall into deep, restorative sleep, the kind that allows your body to repair tissues, including those in your eyes. Now let's move on to the second bedtime drink, a simple but effective golden milk made with turmeric and almond milk. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and one of its most active components, curcumin, has been studied extensively for its ability to protect the retina and reduce oxidative stress. Inflammation is one of the root causes of many chronic eye conditions, including diabetic retinopathy and glaucoma. When inflammation is reduced, the eyes can function better, maintain proper fluid balance, and resist damage from elevated blood sugar and pressure. Almond milk, especially when it's fortified with vitamin E, adds an extra layer of eye protection. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that helps stabilize the membranes of cells in the eyes, protecting them from damage. It also supports moisture levels and reduces oxidative stress in the tear film and cornea. If you prepare a small cup of warm almond milk, stir in about half a teaspoon of turmeric and a tiny pinch of black pepper, which helps your body absorb the curcumin, you're creating a gentle healing drink that floods your body with compounds known to shield and repair your eyes. This golden milk is more than comforting. It's deeply restorative. People who suffer from dry eyes, computer vision syndrome, or early signs of cataracts often experience an improvement in symptoms when they add this drink to their nightly ritual. Over time, the consistent delivery of curcumin and vitamin E can help slow the progression of cellular damage in the eye and strengthen the overall ocular environment. The warmth of the drink also helps relax the muscles around your eyes and face. That may seem like a small thing, but when those muscles are less tense, the tiny structures inside the eyes, including the ciliary muscles that help focus your vision, are less strained. It's a small act of self-care that sends a message to your body. It's time to rest, heal, and regenerate. Let's now explore the third bedtime drink, which is both refreshing and rich in lutein. A cucumber and spinach smoothie, lightly blended and served cool before bed. This may sound like an unusual choice for a nighttime beverage, but the science behind it is powerful. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are found in very high concentrations in the retina. These nutrients act like internal sunglasses. They filter out high-energy blue light, reduce light sensitivity, and help maintain the structural integrity of the macula. Cucumber adds hydration and also contains silica and vitamin C, both of which support the health of connective tissues in the eye. When you blend half a cucumber with a small handful of fresh spinach, a splash of water or coconut water, and optionally a few mint leaves for freshness, you're creating a nutrient-dense drink that feeds your eyes with raw, natural compounds that directly enter your bloodstream and support repair. Because the ingredients are gentle and low in sugar, they won't spike your blood sugar or disrupt your sleep. This drink is especially beneficial for people who suffer from screen-related eye fatigue, sensitivity to bright lights, or floaters. The cooling nature of cucumber also helps reduce puffiness around the eyes and supports better circulation. Over time, lutein and zeaxanthin from spinach accumulate in the retina, where they act as long-term protectors against degenerative changes. That's why even a simple drink like this, taken nightly, can make a noticeable difference in your eye comfort and clarity, especially when paired with good sleep. Now let's move into the final bedtime drink, one that supports hydration and antioxidant protection in a truly delicious way. Tart cherry juice diluted in water. Tart cherry juice is not only known for promoting deep sleep due to its natural melatonin content, but it also contains anthocyanins that reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the eyes. Melatonin helps regulate your body's sleep cycle, but it also plays a role in antioxidant activity. There are receptors for melatonin in the retina, suggesting that this sleep hormone may help protect retinal cells from oxidative damage. When you dilute a small amount of tart cherry juice, about 1/3 of a cup with 2/3 water, You create a refreshing, lightly sweet drink that promotes both restful sleep and antioxidant support for your eyes. This drink is especially helpful for people who struggle with sleep disturbances, eye fatigue, or early signs of macular changes. The natural sugars in the juice are balanced by the antioxidants, making it a safe and effective option when consumed in moderation. As you wind down your day with a glass of diluted tart cherry juice, your body begins to transition into its healing state. You're delivering melatonin to help you fall asleep and antioxidants to help your eyes begin their nightly repair. Over time, this gentle support can help reduce inflammation in the tiny capillaries of your retina, improve blood flow, and support better nighttime vision. Taken together, these 4 drinks, the bellberry chamomile tea, golden turmeric almond milk, spinach cucumber smoothie, and diluted tart cherry juice, provide a powerful toolkit for nightly eye support. Each offers unique benefits, and none require expensive supplements or medications. They work by aligning with your body's natural rhythms, delivering nutrition at a time when it's needed most, and creating the conditions for deep healing while you rest. So tonight, as the day comes to a quiet close and you prepare to shut your eyes and surrender to rest, I want you to remember something profound. Your body does not stop healing just because you're asleep. In fact, this is when the real work begins. Every cell in your body, including those in your eyes, waits for this moment, the stillness, the silence, the darkness, to begin its repair. And the beautiful truth is this: you can support that healing with the smallest, most gentle act. A warm cup, a soothing sip, a nutrient-rich drink filled with compounds that know exactly where to go, what to do, and how to help you see more clearly, longer, and more comfortably. These drinks aren't magic potions. They are real foods from nature. Bilberries, chamomile, turmeric, spinach, cucumber, tart cherries, all grounded in scientific research and centuries of traditional wisdom. They offer hope to the tired eyes of seniors who've been told that worsening vision is just part of aging. They offer support to the millions suffering silently from dry eyes, floaters, light sensitivity, or simply the fear that one day they'll open their eyes and not see the faces of the people they love. But you don't have to wait for vision loss to take action. You can begin tonight. You can nourish your eyes from the inside out, naturally, gently, consistently, with just a few thoughtful sips before bed. And as your body sleeps, your eyes will thank you. Not with words, but with clearer mornings, easier reading, less strain, and greater comfort. That is the quiet reward of choosing healing. That is the power of letting food, even in the form of a drink, become your medicine. So tonight, and every night after this, I invite you to reclaim your vision, not with fear, not with desperation, but with confidence. Because the science is clear, the tools are in your hands, and the healing begins when you do something small but powerful for yourself. 1 cup at a time. And as always, if you found this helpful, make sure you share this video with someone you care about, someone who might be quietly struggling with their eyes, someone who might not even know that healing is possible. Because sometimes all it takes is a single sip and a single decision to change the course of someone's life. Stay curious, stay hopeful, and above all, stay kind to your body. I'm Dr. William Lay, and I'll see you in the next video.